So today I'm going to show you how to make an easy little red, white, and blue hearts wreath for the 4th of July. I was actually going to post this on Monday, but I ended up not getting Stormbreaker done in time for this week, so I'm taking this little wreath, which was Monday's video, and moving it to today, and then next Thursday I will have the Stormbreaker axe. So you want to start by getting yourself some scraps of red, white, and blue material. And then you want to cut a heart out of all the material. You'll cut 4 hearts of each type of material. So you do 4 of the red, white, and blue. I'm only showing 2 here, but you'll do 4 of each because you're going to make 2 hearts of each color and use 2 hearts for each full heart. So take 2 hearts of the same color and put them right sides together. And you're just going to sew all the way around, leaving a little inch at the bottom. So here to sew all the way around with a little inch gap at the bottom. And then you're just going to turn it right side out by shoving it through that little gap. You might need a pair of scissors or a pencil or something to help you push it through the gap. So once you've got it flipped right side out, just kind of play with it a little bit to spread it out. And then you'll just take some cotton batting or some cotton balls, and you're just going to stuff those in through that little hole that's left, the little gap on the side. And you go until you get it completely stuffed. And then get yourself a needle and thread, and you're just going to sew that gap closed. You will see the thread on the outside because it's difficult to sew this from the inside, so you're just going to sew the gap right through the outsides, and you'll see just a tiny little bit of a seam, but it's not really noticeable. So once you got it sewn, just cut off the excess and readjust the stuffing to spread it all out inside the heart. And so you do that to all 6 hearts. Then you'll just lay them out in the red, white, and blue pattern. So then take 2 of them and take another needle and thread. And you just want to sew the 2 hearts together at the top edges. You don't need a lot of stitches, just a few, enough to hold them together. And then once you've got a few stitches in, just tie the threads off into a knot on the back side and cut off the excess. So that should hold the hearts together. And then you do the same thing so that you end up connecting all the hearts. So then just take some thin ribbon, make 2 loops, and tie the loops around themselves. And you'll end up with a tiny little bow. You have to readjust the loops in the bottoms a little bit just to get it so everything is even. Once you've got it where you like it, just cut off the excess. And you've got a tiny little bow. Then just put a little dot of glue on the back of the bow and glue it where 2 hearts connect. And then you'll just do that all the way around at all the heart connections, and there's your wreath. And I did red, white, and blue for 4th of July, but you can do this any color for any season that you want.